Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Maximize efficiency and performance with a spray lubrication system. Are you tired of dealing with the constant knock and tear on your vehicle engine? One of the key factors in the smooth operation and maintenance of heavy-duty equipment is an effective lubrication system. In this video, we will delve into the advantages of using a spray lubrication system and how it can significantly improve the performance and longevity of your vehicle. From reducing friction to preventing corrosion, this method of lubrication offers a range of benefits that can make a real difference in the efficiency and reliability of your equipment, including your vehicle engine. So, let's explore the valuable advantages of a spray lubrication system and how it can revolutionize the way you maintain your industrial machinery. Increased efficiency. When it comes to industrial machinery, efficiency is a crucial factor in ensuring optimal performance and cost-effectiveness. A spray lubrication system plays a pivotal role in enhancing efficiency through a reduction in friction and wear, as well as yielding energy savings and productivity gains. Reduction in friction and wear. The application of a spray lubrication system ensures the even distribution of lubricant across the moving components of machinery. This leads to a significant reduction in friction, minimizing wear and tear on crucial parts. By creating a protective layer between the interacting surfaces, the lubricant effectively extends the lifespan of the equipment, ultimately contributing to improved operational efficiency and a decrease in maintenance requirements. Energy savings and productivity. By mitigating friction and wear, the spray lubrication system directly translates into energy savings and enhanced productivity. Reduced friction results in decreased energy consumption, as the machinery operates more smoothly and with minimal resistance. This not only leads to cost savings but also contributes to heightened overall productivity within industrial processes. Furthermore, the mitigation of wear ensures sustained performance levels, reducing downtime for maintenance and repairs, thereby fostering a more productive operational environment. Cost effectiveness. Spray lubrication systems offer significant cost advantages, making them a wise investment for various industrial applications. Reduced maintenance costs. Consistent and targeted application of lubricant by spray systems leads to reduced maintenance needs, resulting in decreased downtime and lower maintenance expenses. The precise and uniform distribution of lubricant helps prevent wear and tear, minimizing the frequency of maintenance interventions and associated costs. By keeping machinery operating efficiently, spray lubrication systems contribute to substantial long-term savings. Extended machinery lifespan. Effective lubrication through spray systems plays a crucial role in preventing premature machinery failure, thus reducing replacement and repair costs. By forming a protective barrier against friction and wear, spray lubrication systems enhance the longevity of critical components, ultimately maximizing the return on investment for machinery and equipment. With fewer instances of breakdowns and malfunctions, businesses can allocate resources more effectively, driving overall efficiency and profitability. Optimized lubricant usage. Spray lubrication systems can apply the precise amount of lubricant needed, reducing wastage and minimizing overall lubricant consumption. By delivering lubricant directly to specific components in a controlled manner, these systems contribute to significant cost savings over time. The optimized usage not only reduces the frequency of refills but also ensures that lubricant is utilized efficiently, aligning with cost-conscious operational practices. Incorporating spray lubrication systems into industrial operations not only enhances equipment performance but also presents a compelling case for cost-effectiveness, thanks to reduced maintenance expenses, extended machinery lifespan, and optimized lubricant usage. Environmental benefits. Employing a spray lubrication system offers several environmental advantages, aligning with sustainability goals and promoting responsible resource management. Emission reduction. Efficient lubricant application through spray systems can lead to reduced emissions, contributing to a cleaner and safer working environment. By precisely targeting lubrication, spray systems minimize the excess use of lubricants, resulting in decreased environmental pollution and safer working conditions for employees. Resource conservation. Optimized lubricant usage in spray systems conserves resources, such as oil, and minimizes waste. By delivering the lubricant precisely to the intended area, these systems promote environmental conservation and responsible resource management, while also reducing the overall carbon footprint of the operation. Compliance with regulations. The use of spray lubrication systems helps companies comply with stringent environmental regulations, fostering a positive corporate image and reducing the risk of penalties. These systems enable precise control over lubricant application, ensuring that companies meet environmental standards and operate in an environmentally responsible manner. Compliance with regulations not only benefits the environment but also enhances the reputation and credibility of the company in the market. By embracing spray lubrication systems, businesses can effectively reduce emissions, conserve resources, and comply with environmental regulations, contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly operational landscape. In conclusion, spray lubrication systems offer a multitude of advantages that significantly impact industrial operations. Their ability to efficiently and precisely deliver lubricants leads to enhanced equipment performance, reduced maintenance costs, and increased productivity. Additionally, the cost-effectiveness of spray lubrication systems makes them a compelling choice for businesses aiming to optimize their operational expenses. Moreover, their environmentally sustainable nature aligns with the growing emphasis on eco-friendly practices in industrial settings, positioning spray lubrication systems as a forward-thinking solution for lubrication needs. Embracing this innovative technology holds the potential to revolutionize industrial lubrication practices, and I encourage further exploration of its benefits for sustained operational excellence. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.